We have not only one but two C8 Corvettes in this week here at 86 Auto Lab in Franklin, Tennessee. One is a Z06 and the other is the new E-Ray. The E-Ray is getting nearly every service we offer, track pack PPF package, to protect the full front of the vehicle plus the lower rocker panels. This is going to protect the areas that are most likely to acquire rock chips and scratches. Plus we tinted the windows to not only make the vehicle look better, but to protect the interior from fading and to provide that extra comfort. Because we use XPEL Window Tint, which provides exceptional heat blocking and UV rejection. To top everything off, we installed windshield protection film to protect the windshield from getting rock chips or cracks. I couldn't even guess what a windshield replacement would cost for this vehicle. Lastly, we applied a lifetime ceramic coating to the wheels, plastics, glass, painted surfaces, and over top of the paint protection film. This is going to make the vehicle look extremely glossy and slick. This will not only protect the vehicle from fading, staining, and etching, but this will also make cleaning the vehicle a breeze as water just rolls off. Moving on to the Z06, we installed a track pack PPF package and window tint, plus we added some aesthetic upgrades like these black accents on the pillars and roof. This ties in the body lines and in my opinion makes the vehicle appear more aggressive. With both of these C8 Corvettes receiving paint protection film on the full front of the vehicle plus the lower rocker panels, they can be driven like they were designed for. These C8 Corvettes come equipped with extremely wide tires. With these wide tires comes with a high chance of rocks being flung down the side of the car, and the first point of contact would be the lower rockers. That is why the track pack PPF package is so perfect for these cars. And it's also the most commonly installed package we perform on these cars. Our team crushed the installs on both of these beautiful cars. These vehicles will look better than new for longer and can be driven as hard as the owners want to drive them. The roads here in the Franklin, Brentwood, and Nashville area are no joke and can damage a vehicle fast. So if you own a track-oriented car or even an everyday commuter and looking to protect your investment, then give us a call or text today. We would love to get you a free quote on getting your vehicle protected with either paint protection film, ceramic coating, or window tint.